In this video, we're going to look at our intraday trends, and by intraday I am measuring 4-hour trends, 1-hour trends, 15-minute trends, and then also looking at momentum. So let me show you how this heat map is laid out. Again, we have a series of check marks, as you can see. This is laid out a little bit differently from the weekly, daily 4-hour trends. So let me explain how this is laid out. First off, we have a couple different check marks in various colors. This is drilling from a 4-hour trend here down to a 1-hour trend and then down to a 15-minute trend. So if we're looking at the Aussie Japanese yen at this point, then we would see that this is in a pretty bearish trend based on the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute charts. These last three check marks have to do with momentum, and I'm using some various indicators here on various time frames, and the time frames that are measured in these final three columns here are the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute momentums. So when we look at the chart overall, for example, we can drill down and we're looking at the British pound versus the Aussie dollar, and we find that the trend for the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute trends are all bullish, but they are in a very bullish momentum pattern right now, which means that price is moving up on all three of those panels, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, and the 15-minute charts. So our momentum is strong within the context of a bullish trend. So if you're looking to do momentum type trading, then this is the kind of a heat map that you'd be looking for. If you're looking for opportunities for divergence within the market, or what we call overbought and oversold criteria, then you would be looking more at the trends, which are the first 6 check marks, and then you'd be looking for the time frame that you prefer to be trading in and where that momentum is missing at this point. So for example, if you are looking to trade the 4-hour charts, then you might find, for example, the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen is in a bearish context on the 4-hour, 1-hour, 15-minute charts, but right now we do not have a momentum qualified on the 4-hour chart. We do have it on the 1-hour and the 15, but on the 4-hour chart we're not quite there yet, so we could be seeing getting ready to turn down on that point, for example, would be a way to look at that. So again, you can use this heat map in various ways too. You can look at it as an intraday trend indicator for the morning as the morning opens, and you can look at it for trends plus strong momentum at this point in time. And those are easy to spot out because you're going to have 9 check marks consistently across the board in one direction or the other, and as you can see right now, there are no bearish, as I record this, there are no bearish 9 check marks across, but you do have several, such as the British pound Aussie, showing strong upward momentum at this time, and actually that's the only one that's qualified across the board at this time. So that heat map will show up in the morning. Again, this heat map will be released just before 8 o'clock in the morning, so those 15-minute check mark can vary a little bit before you actually start looking at the charts, but still this gives you an indication of momentum at the time that this is printed each morning before 8 a.m.